we're observing that the birds, the swallows are following us. We're speculating what's the reason why they're following us. Could be that they're interested. Wala naman siya kinakain. Nandiyan pa rin siya. There's one bird, no? Two persistent enough. We're in Wadi Rum, in the deserts of Jordan. Still, the swallow bird is following us for more than a kilometer. I think 3 kilometers now. So, what's the possible explanation? It's still following us, huh? Curious, wala na. So this is the vast desert lands of Jordan in the Middle East. You see, it's a blue sky, clear blue sky. We drove here from the capital city of Amman in Jordan. No more birds na. Interesting geography. As we mentioned, these formations, rock formations, existed 9 million years ago, and this area used to be submerged in underwater, under the sea.